Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then we have PAM50. PAM50 is actually a 50 gene test. It is designed to be performed in local routine pathology, hospital pathology. It is mainly to separate the intrinsic disease subtypes, and this is used to generate a ROR score. What is this ROR score? It will generate the risk of recurrence score, and the tissue used for this developing this risk of recurrence score is we can use fixed tissue blocks are used.
thank you and thank you for watching.